sledgehammer training has been an old-school training method, highly regarded as a way to develop explosive power and strength. In doing so, one also benefits from a stronger core, a greater range of motion, better coordination, added grip strength, and improved work capacity. Well, now is hitting a tire with a sledgehammer a good workout? Tire and sledgehammer workouts, when performed correctly, are great ways to improve your confidence, coordination, kinesthetic awareness, and control. They also go a long way toward building full body strength, including the ever-elusive forearm strength and endurance. How heavy should my sledgehammer be? You do not use heavy loads to develop this strength quality. If you have never used a sledgehammer, I recommend starting with an 8 or 10 pounder. Do not make the mistake of starting with the largest sledge that you can find. Make no mistake about it, you can achieve a tremendous workout with a 10-pound sledgehammer. What muscles does hitting a tire with a sledgehammer work? Tire slams move you through all three planes of motion, targeting your core, shoulders, back, grip, and damn near every muscle in your body. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. What are the benefits of hitting a tire with a sledgehammer? Improve strength, endurance, flexibility and explosive power. Develop core strength and stability. Increase grip and forearm strength. Increase rotational strength. Enhance overall conditioning. Increase work capacity. Strengthens muscles, tendons, and ligaments in the wrist, elbow and shoulder girdle. Hand-eye coordination. Mental toughness. Beginner sledgehammer workout. After each circuit round, rest 15 seconds, start with 15 reps for the first circuit, and decrease reps for each progressive circuit, until you are only performing 1 rep per exercise. Right hand, 15-1. Routine. Stand about 2 feet away from the tire. Grip the sledgehammer. Bring the sledgehammer up, your right hand sliding toward the head of the sledgehammer. Swing the sledgehammer down, bringing your right hand to your left hand. Slam the sledgehammer down as hard as you can against the tire. Repeat this exercise on the other side of your body. Do 9 more repetitions on each side. Right side slams 4x15. Left side slams 4x15. Overhead slams 4x15. Perform as a non-stop circuit, resting 15 seconds in between rounds. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.